I'm eating puri. I'm trying to cook Indian food. It's my first time in my life to cook Indian food. Behl Puri. My friend brought from Haryana in North India. I don't know how to cook. Just depend on my feeling. I try my best. If I make some mistake, just let me know. Put on the comments, okay? It's supposed to be look like this. So here is one Maggi powder, and another something written in Hindi. I don't know. It's namkeen. And the garlic is cut. And now I'm going to cut the pepper, onion, and the tomato.
Wow.
Hey, tomato is cut it, onion is cut it. It's in Chinese way. Usually I cut tomato in this size, but the Indian way is to cut more smaller. Get the boiled potato. So that's why I have peeled the skin. And I'm going to cut it and boil the potatoes. So the potato has been cut now. Let me boil it. Wow. Then add the salad. So I just first put the powder. Oh, I can sense the smell. Very Indian style. 50 ml of the water. Yeah, I'm not sure whether it's 50 ml. And then wait for 5 minutes. Also put this all together. Mix it a little bit. And you just mix them. And I'm waiting for the potato. Now the potato is boiled. I'm going to mix it up with the previous salad or masala, what do you call. Now it's mixed. Let me mix all of them together. So this one. Okay, mix. At the end, I'm going to take this powder. I don't know what it's called. Masala or something. Okay, finally a very beautiful, good looking puri is done. It's Irish Indian style, made by a Chinese guy.